First, I'd like your comment on the recent Swedish decision to invest in the development of Gripen NG.
Yeah, it's a really historic event, and it's fantastic for us. It shows the commitment from Sweden and Saab to the NG program. This is an umbrella order that we've got, consisting of 3 different parts. First, the development that we now have received, the development of the Gripen NG. Secondly, end of this year, a production order of the Swedish 60 Gripens, and in later 2014, a production order of 22 Swiss aircraft and support and maintenance systems for both countries. And this really solidifies the Gripen NG, not only in Sweden and Switzerland, but also on the export market.
How do you see the current developments impacting the Gripen global markets?
Normally, there is some hesitation to be a launch order in terms of these kind of programs. And this order takes away all that risk or hesitation on the export market. We see an unprecedented interest of the Gripen on the market. That goes for the NG, but also for the CD, which already is the most advanced multi-role aircraft in the world, operated by 5 customers globally. In terms of the NG, we see a growing interest and a real interest in all regions. We're working hard in Brazil. We have an unbeatable offer on the table there. And if you read the press, we are #1 according to the Brazilian Air Force. In Europe, we're working with the Netherlands and Denmark on the NG. And recently we've seen a recent interest from Canada, where they asked us to participate in their process to acquire a new aircraft.
And how does it benefit the existing customers?
Well, that's a good part, because the development within the NG program gives us the opportunity to offer upgrade packages to our existing Gripen customers. For example, new avionics packages, sensor packages, electronic warfare systems, new weapons, etc.
I understand that Gripen will now be a platform to serve beyond 2040. Can it really absorb the future technologies and developments to come?
Yes, definitely. Gripen has been designed from the outset to be able to be upgraded. And in fact, the Swedish Air Force have for decades been upgrading their Gripens every second, every third year. And that's also true for the existing export customers. So yes, that's one of the real benefits of the Gripen system, to be able to be easily and fast upgradable by ourselves or by our customers.
There are not that many development programs going on in the world.
No, it isn't. And this order means that we are actually the only one in Europe that has this kind of opportunity now, with a full-scale development program for the next generation multi-role fighter. And that is a great feeling.
In about a decade, the new challenge will come from 5th generation fighters. How does Gripen compare?
Well, first of all, what is the 5th generation aircraft? Is that stealth? Is it the term performance, or is it the capability of the system? Our philosophy is to develop and produce a balanced design, meaning that we are very capable in all areas, and we're not prepared to sacrifice any fundamental and critical performances due to other elements of the capability of the aircraft. I believe it's very hard to see into the future, and especially looking 20 years in front of you. Our philosophy again is to make sure that we have a very capable and agile platform that can absorb the technology that will come over time and is fast and easily upgradable by ourselves or our customers.
In some countries, Gripen has failed before because the development program was at a less mature stage. Do you believe that these countries should take a relook?
Well, we now have a solid program, and we will start delivering of operational aircraft 2018. We're now in a position to show even the most risk-averse part of the market that everything about this product, all the capabilities, the turn performance, the acceleration, the radar, the infrared search and track. So yes, I think if there is someone out there that want to have a relook on the Gripen, they're very welcome.
Finally then, how would you sum up the future of Gripen?
I believe we're looking into a very bright future for Gripen. We will be starting delivering operational aircraft from 2018. We can offer the market a very, very capable product. Gripen is today the best or the most advanced multi-role fighter on the market. With the next generation, we'll take another big step in terms of capabilities. We can offer a fixed price, a fixed schedule, and fixed capabilities. So I believe we'll see lots of more Gripen NG customers around the world. I believe it's our turn now.